Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE configured UI board part #WD21X31898. The GE configured UI board part #WD21X31898 is a user interface board designed for use with GE washers and dryers. It is a replacement part for the original user interface board that came with the appliance. The board features a display screen, touchpad buttons, and LED indicators to provide users with an easy-to-use interface for controlling their appliance. The board also includes an integrated circuit (IC) chip that stores all of the settings and programs for the appliance. This allows users to easily customize their settings and programs without have. This part fixes the following symptoms. The WD21X31898 UI board is designed to fix the following symptoms: 1. Washer won't start. 2. Washer won't spin. 3. Washer won't drain. 4. Washer is noisy during the spin cycle. 5. Washer doesn't fill with water properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by turning off the power to the appliance. 2. Remove the control panel cover and locate the UI board. 3. Disconnect all wires from the existing UI board and remove it from the appliance. 4. Install the new GE configured UI board part #WD21X31898 in its place, making sure to connect all of the wires in their original positions. 5. Securely fasten the board in place with screws or other fasteners as needed. 6. Replace the control panel cover and turn on power to the appliance to test it out. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.